Okay guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. Now this morning is a very special morning. Why you ask? Because we are going to be taking Mr. Bennett to Montego Bay. You remember Mr. Bennett? Would have done a video with him sometimes late last year. That's 2022 last year. And he is one-legged and he works very hard. He goes through his farm, working very hard. He's a very humble man, and so we'd have asked for some donations for him so that we would be able to assist him with getting a leg. So we'd have made contact with Mr. Brown, who is a prosthetic technician in Montego Bay, who has agreed to give us a promotional, well, it's a promotional cost because Mr. Brown is not taking any payment for the leg. What he is doing is we're basically just paying for the material just to do the leg. So it's $100,000. And guys, that's more than reasonable, and we are most grateful to Mr. Brown for this kind gesture. So far we'd have gotten one donor by the name of Lorraine from the US. And Lorraine, we are most grateful and thankful to you, because what Lorraine would have donated would have amounted to around 50% of the cost charged by Mr. Brown, which is $50,000. And so, things have been working out very well because Mr. Brown has agreed to take that $50,000 as a deposit so we can take Mr. Bennett in this morning to do his measurements and so forth. So we are grateful for that, guys, and it's about maybe 6:15 now in the morning. We're leaving Troy in Trelawney. We're heading to Albertown because we're going to meet up with Mr. Bennett there, and then we'll drive into Montego Bay. So guys, I'm going to also use this platform to appeal to you to help us to help Mr. Bennett to raise another $50,000 so we can pay that balance on the leg. So if you can in any way, we would be more than grateful. Whatever it is that you have, it's a $5. If it's a $10, we'll accept it. If it is more than that, whatever it is, we will be more than grateful. As they say in Jamaica, every mickle make a muckle. And so that is what we are going with. Every mickle make a muckle. So whatever it is, we will be more than grateful. All right. So in the video description, check the link, the PayPal link, just click on it and then you can go ahead and donate. All right. So remember, the PayPal link is in the video description. So you can also, you can click on the link to donate, and you can also contact us at our number, which is normally running across the screen, but for the purpose of those who have not seen it, the number is 876-512-4055. All right, so we'll keep you posted as we go throughout the day. And oh Lord, Mr. Kemp is here. Say morning, Mr. Kemp.
Morning.
Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, that's not very nice of me.
She always have me driving.
Oh my God. Or behind the camera.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, guys. So Lorraine, thank you again. We are most grateful and we're highly appreciative, and we're also thanking Almighty God for this opportunity so that we're able to assist Mr. Bennett. So as we go throughout the day, like I said, we will keep you posted as to, as we go along. So all right, guys, remember the PayPal link is in the video description. Click to donate and call us if you want to, or you can drop us a WhatsApp. You can also email us as well. All right, so for now, this is it, and we'll catch up with you in a little while. All right, bye-bye. Hi guys, good morning again. So since the last time we spoke, we were leaving Troy, heading to Albertown, and now it's about, what time is it? About 9:30? It's 10 o'clock, and we are now in Montego Bay. So we're at the office, and so we're gonna head in a little while with Mr. Bennett and Mr. Radcliffe Bennett, his son. They're both here. Say good morning, Mr. Bennett.
Good morning.
Yes, so this is Father Bennett and this is Son Bennett. Right, so we're here and we're waiting on Mr. Brown, who we will see in a little while. And of course, we'll walk you through the process as we go. But I want the too tall.
find out where you want me.
Anyway, where you think? You
Where you
comfortable?
want me.
Me no know.
So,
Sit down right where you are.
anyway, you see.
Yes.
Look at yourself.
Yeah, man, this is where he said anyone at the seat, so anyone you're comfortable with. Oh, wow. Okay. You know, we're finally in the office, Mr. Brown. We're here with him. Would have seen him time and time again and would have heard about you, Mr. Brown, and we have the pleasure of now meeting you. So, yes.
We are here going to take Mr. Bennett, the molding of his stump, the transtibial amputation. So we are starting now. So we are using Scotch cast.
Okay, and this process is painless.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so how long does this process take now, Mr. Brown, to make the molding?
It's about 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes, not too long. Okay. So, Mr. Brown, tell us how you got started in this type of profession.
I started out in this profession as an orthopedic technician. Right? Being an orthopedic technician, I've exposed to multiple injuries,
Yes.
accidents, many different type of injury, compartment syndrome, all different type, where people actually lose their limb.
Okay.
One day we were on the ward round and we just do an amputation in the theater. And the patient said, "Doc, I have a little money, where can I go and get a limb?"
Yes.
And nobody could answer.
Oh, wow.
And I said, that's what I'm gonna do,
Yeah, yeah.
And I started out. Even though it was very rough, very, very rough. But I still never give up.
Yes.
See Mr. Bennett here now. When I saw Mr. Bennett's story,
Yes.
and then afterwards you reach out to me, I couldn't say it's not gonna benefit me.
Right, right.
Right?
Right.
I know this, what I'm doing here, it's gonna benefit the people of my country.
Yes, yes. And that's what keeps you going.
Sure.
Yes. Because when you, just to interject, Mr. Brown, because even in talking with you, and you would have said, it costs this much, which is, if you don't mind me saying, it's $100,000. And when we spoke about it, you did specifically mention, that this is material. So as we speak, viewers and subscribers, Mr. Brown is not being compensated for this, for what he's doing, but it's just basically material cost. So believe him when he says that what he's doing, he does from the heart, and because it is going to benefit the people of his country. Right, Mr. Brown?
Sure.
Yes. And you have been so kind to us because really and truly, you are just collecting 50% from us today to start the process. You know, had it been maybe elsewhere or otherwise, we'd have
You
to
would have to
wait
pay the full
and pay
amount.
the full amount. So you see, you are a man who is passionate about what it is that you're doing.
Sure.
And we are most grateful, Mr. Brown.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Mr. Bennett?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Okay. Bend your name, Mr. Bennett.
Because you really made that. You really never see.
How it feel?
Yeah?
How it feel? Feel alright? Hold here and stand up. Let me see how much pound. You can stand.
Well,
Alright, 140. Alright, you can sit back. Stand up straight.
I said,
You can sit back.
when me realize, I said, push me back on the trolley.
Can pause.
You're not going to use any cushion. You're not going to walk on your knee anymore.
Yeah, you won't need it.
Me got, you know what? The help feel the foot
I'm
Yes.
going to help you, man.
and just stretch me.
How you feel about the whole thing?
When me say very good, very good feeling that is good to accomplish.
Yeah.
I am, he can't explain. The happiness can't explain.
The stump. The stump is less than 6 inches, right?
Yes.
So you may have to get an additional brace,
Support.
right? Support. And the leg to keep you balanced, right? But I have everything here,
Yes.
all right?
Mr. Brown, have you covered Mr. Bennett?
Beautiful. I am so happy having the idea and see what taking place, that I can have the sense of understanding and hope to back on my foot again, not feet, foot.
This is for persons who don't know that they can actually get back an arm, right? You can get back a arm.
Yes. Because
Right.
a lot of persons, Mr. Brown,
See?
they know about getting back a foot, a leg.
They know about getting back a foot,
Yes.
but you can actually get
Get
back
a-
a arm.
Right. So
Even a working arm also.
yes.
Yes,
Working arm.
working arm, you can get back a working arm.
With it.
Just can use a pen.
Sure.
Are you serious right now,
Feed
Mr. Brown?
yourself everything,
Oh my God.
Trust me.
You hear that, guys?
right? It's just that a lot of people don't come in about a harm,
Yes.
so it just stop here, but you can actually get back a working harm.
Yes. So guys, if you're in a position where you just heard what Mr. Brown said, I'm just learning this too. I am aware of persons with arms, but you know, when you go certain places in Jamaica, you really don't see. I'll see somebody with a leg, but not an arm. So you hear from Mr. Brown. So you can, I'll put your number on the screen. So if you want to contact Mr. Brown, please feel free to do so. And he's a very humble gentleman, as you can see. I'm talking to him. I see the passion that he has for what he does. So you can talk to him no matter what it is, just call him and he will work it out for you. Right, Mr. Brown?
Sure.
Okay. So this is it for today. You would have seen Mr. Bennett getting the mold. And so we have one more visit, Mr. Brown, after this?
Yes.
So the next visit would be to
try it on.
To
and
fit
walk.
it and walk. You hear that, Mr. Bennett? The next time we come, you're walking out of here. Okay.
I wouldn't mind how quick it is.
You wouldn't mind if I did today?
I don't mind.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Bennett, I'm going to ask you to say a quick thank you to Lorraine. Lorraine would have made all of this possible along with a number of other people, but she would have donated. So tell her a quick thanks.
Yes, thank you very much for your kind cooperation and your assistance that you have granted to me, because it has done me a whole lot of good.
Yes.
And the Lord will bless you for the good which you have done.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right. I want to say special thanks to you too, Mr. Brown. I spoke to you on the phone, have the pleasure of now meeting you, and I am not regretting it at all. I like the service you offer, I like the way your interaction with us and the patient, and I see your passion. I keep talking about that. I'm most impressed, so keep doing what you're doing, Mr. Brown, and we'll see you in maybe in a few more weeks. All right? A few more days. You hear? So, Mr. Bennett, probably go walk in a few more days.
You see, normally I can complete a leg within 3 days.
Yes?
From start to finish.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can.
So in a few more days, Mr. Bennett. All right, guys. So this is it for today. Please remember to donate to the cause. Remember that to look in the description, you'll see the PayPal button. Just click on that link and donate. Or if you are not able to do via PayPal, you can call us and we can make arrangements, all right? So that we can come up with the rest of the donation to assist Mr. Bennett. So until next time, thank you for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love.